Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin at the machine with your ID and checks in hand. Insert your bank card or choose guest deposit if available. Once done, endorse each check and write for deposit only when required by your bank to prevent misuse. Make sure to separate cash from checks and remove staples or paper clips so the feeder can process smoothly. You're starting the deposit now. Follow prompts on the screen to select deposit type and account, and confirm counts before feeding documents. You'll now feed items into the scanner according to the on-screen instructions. Place checks face up, or as the display shows, in a neat single stack to avoid jams. Once the machine reads each item, check the displayed amounts and correct any misreads immediately by removing and refeeding the item. Make sure to select whether you want immediate available funds or standard hold. This affects access. If totals match your own count, confirm and proceed to the verification step to finalize the deposit. You complete the process by choosing to print or email a receipt and collecting your card and any returned items. Write down the transaction ID if you'll verify later. Once done, check your account balance within 24 hours to confirm posting. Holds may apply based on amount and deposit type. If something goes wrong, keep the receipt and any rejected checks. Contact your bank immediately with the transaction ID and time. This helps the bank trace the deposit and resolve count or scan errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.